Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing an 11 inspired makeup look from Stranger Things. If you don't know what Stranger Things is, it's an awesome Netflix series and they're actually coming out with the season 4. I am so excited. So yeah, please stay tuned for that. And if you like this makeup tutorial, then awesome! So let's just get started. Alright you guys, so now that we are extremely refreshed and we have prepped our skin, hopefully you guys washed your hands before doing this because you don't want to touch your skin with dirty hands. But yeah, we are going to be taking a primer. I am using a Too Faced spray primer. This works amazing. This stays on all day. It helps your makeup stay on all day and it's just awesome, awesome, awesome. And this is just going to help us glow a little bit more throughout the day, but also, like I said, make our makeup stay a little bit more too. Next, I'm going to be taking another primer. This is actually a moisturizing primer. So yes, I'm wearing two primers. Don't come at me. It's the best. It's called Unicorn Glow or Uniglow. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure it's Uniglow. It's right there. Anyways, it moisturizes your face and it makes your makeup look so good, even if you're wearing a spray primer or a setting spray is what I like to call it. But yeah. Next, I'm going to be taking Revlon Pale Powder, which is just, as its name says, a pale powder. And I'm going to be setting my primer with the powder. 11 actually has pale undertones, like her skin has pale undertones, and I'm going to be applying this with like a pink sponge, and I'm going to be baking my under eye circles just to get it ready for a little bit of darkness, but that'll come in a second. And I look like a ghost, so it's weird, but yeah. Alright, so next we're going to be putting dark eyeshadow under our under eyes, and this is the reason I wanted to set my powder first so it could show a little bit more. But if you guys don't know, 11 does have dark under eye circles, and it's from fighting all the time because she has to beat that Demogorgon up like so many times, and it's just really tiring. And you know, you tend to get dark under eye circles when you don't rest and you have to keep fighting a bad monster 24/7. So we're just gonna add that a little bit under my under eyes, and we're gonna look a little bit like we're kind of dead and vampires, but cute at the same time. So yeah. Now it's time for bronzer. I'm so happy about the bronzer. 11 is very tan on her temples. Her cheeks are kind of tan, and then her jawline is kind of tan, and it's because she's in the sun a lot. And yeah, if you're fighting a monster 24/7, you're gonna get a tan, especially if you're fighting it for hours or whatnot. Or maybe she just tans very well. I don't know. Millie Bobby Brown is beautiful overall. But yeah, we're just gonna be setting the rest of our makeup with bronzer, and we're gonna be making a little bit of a natural tan to our face, because that's how 11 has it. So let's do it. Alright you guys, so now we're gonna add some color to the lips. Do you guys remember that Kylie Jenner lip challenge?
Sometimes the things I do are so stupid. Over now. But do they look good though? Do they look good? They hurt though. They hurt.
yeah, that's really bad, and I don't know who started that trend, but they were really dumb for doing it. But anyways, that's not the point. I'm just glad I don't have to do it. But me and Millie Bobby Brown, 11, we both have puffy lips, and her lips in this case are a lot blushy pink, but my lips right now are kind of chapped, so they're a bit red and bleeding, so they're gonna be a little bit darker, but it's okay. Let's add some color to the lips. Alright, you guys, and this is the finished looky look. And yeah, I worked really hard on this. It doesn't look like I did, but trust me, I put my work's blood, sweat, and tears into this makeup tutorial, so you better like it. Huh. Anyways, yeah, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and just enjoy the rest of this montage, and I will see you guys next time.